It's Robert Swimmer, and welcome to my channel. Today we're at Lake Piru in Ventura County, California. It is April 1st, 2023, and the lake is so full. It's actually going over the spillway. I've never seen that before. And it's closed to boaters because of the floating logs, but by April 10th they hope to open it up again. But you can certainly come here and fish by the shore. So I'm going to try a new drone to my arsenal. I've been flying a Mavic 2 Pro, which I've loved, but the Mavic 3 Classic had enough upgrades that it was time to make a change. And so this is actually my first flight with the drone. I'm gonna fly it over the top of the lake here, and you'll see how full the lake is. I'm sure the boaters are going to love this, the fishermen, and hopefully you enthusiasts with drones will enjoy the flight as much as I enjoy capturing this beautiful place. Here are some still images I shot with the DJI Mavic 3 Classic's 20 megapixel camera. Overall, I was very impressed with the first flight. I especially enjoyed locking the speed of the drone in cruise control mode, allowing me to focus on direction and height of the drone, I believe for better results. I was flying midday without an ND filter, so there is some slight color grading in post, but the filters are on order. I hope you enjoyed the bird's eye view of Lake Piru and my first flight with the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you give it a like. A big shout out to my loyal subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing where we explore from above and below the sea and from the air. Thank you.